Hello, I'm Angel, and this is Healthful Choices. I am on a mission to lose 80 pounds. And today we're gonna go see a waterfall. What do you think? Do we go right or do we go left? The
It looks like there's a loop. And I mean, we can just go left and then take a loop around and come back.
Okay. Cedar Pond, not very big, but a nice little pond. I wonder why the sign's upside down. Thorny Badlands seem to be at the top of the mountain. We're currently hiking to them now.
You made it.
This is what I was expecting to see. And this is the reality.
I want to speak to the manager.
We're gonna take the stairs down and see if we can explore the cave that's behind the falls. Well, usually when the falls are running. The sad thing is that these falls, they're fed from a spring, and then the water eventually joins the Great Miami River, which is the river that you see me walking along in most of my walking videos. Here we are, a spring. We found the cave. Let's see. There's no sign that says keep out. Woohoo! You think it goes very far back?
Flashlight on. Yeah, I don't know. Looks like it. I can see about 20 feet in.
Looks like it dead ends. Okay. That was exciting.
Yeah.
What was your favorite part about our hike today?
I think it was just getting out in nature and walking.
Yeah.
But the falls was pretty cool, even if they weren't working. But how about you?
Yeah, I think that whole little area there where the falls are, the rock formations, that was really cool. I really liked all of the canopy trail with all the tall trees and the short trees and stuff. I thought that was really nice.
Yeah.
We made it back to the parking lot. Look at that. We did not end up getting lost in the woods this time like we did on our last wooded walk. So, cool. I hope that you're having a great day and that you will have a successful week going forward. I'll see you next time.